हम दावत देते हैं रुखसार बिन्त अजहर ढोरेगांव की तालिबा तशरीफ ले आए और रिपब्लिक डे इस उन्वान पर तकरीर पेश फरमाए।
Assalamu alaikum, honorable guests, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here on the occasion of Republic Day. Today we are celebrating 70th Republic Day. We are all proud citizens of India. 26 January celebrate as Republic Day in India every year. On this day, 1915, India became democracy's republic country. Celebration are held every year. On this day, proud the country. On 26 January 1950, Constitution of India come in force and make a democracy's republic country. The people of our country, who themselves and all are equal and free. The government is rules candidates selected by the people of our country. So we are all responsible to protect our follow rules. Thank you.
ये थी तालिबा रुखसार बिन्त अजहर जो अंग्रेजी ज़बान में तकरीर पेश फरमा रही थी। अब इनके बाद हम उर्दू ज़ुबान में तकरीर पेश करने के लिए दावत देते हैं नाजिया बिन्त अय्यूब सोलेगांव। ये तालिबा तशरीफ ले आए और मौजूदा हालात की रोशनी में हिंदुस्तानी मुसलमानों का मुस्तकबिल और हाल इस उन्वान पर